Yeah.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. We are out and about today on the road again. Man, it's been a busy few months. We got the holidays all out of the way and all the travel and vacation, and hope everybody did well through all that. We are in the Winterton rollback today, headed up here on the Warner Valley Road. It looks like it's going to be a rollback on a dirt road kind of day. But we're going to get in here. We've got a Toyota Tacoma that's been rolled over, and we are going to get it gathered up and get it back to the yard. And thankfully everyone that was out playing and having a good time was okay in it, so we will get out there and get it gathered up, and we'll take you along for the ride today.
I can't, it's too shaky.
It's alright, it'll stabilize it. Yahoo! I guess the big thing is at least everyone was okay. Looks like they may have popped their head in the windshield there, but what a bad deal that is. Roll a pretty little truck like that out goofing off, but I guess that's how it goes. Middle table. Up. The red one? Yep, up.
How do you do this?
Push.
Oh.
Okay, well that wasn't too bad. Just loaded that thing up. Apparently he rolled it over twice. It landed back on its wheels, I suppose, or somebody helped him roll it back up. But we got her loaded. We're gonna haul her back towards town, see where we end up. All right, well, we got that thing loaded. It wasn't that big of a deal. That's where these rollbacks really come in handy. We have about 80% of the roads in Washington County are dirt. So we get out on a regular basis, roll back on a dirt road. We drive right from the shop, load up the car and drive it back. We just show up with the rollback and pull it back on here, and 80–90% of our tows are just like this. So roll back on a dirt road kind of day. Got the old Ford 550 four-wheel drive out here. Not that you need it, but it's pretty handy to just jump in your truck and go get the tow done. That's where these rollbacks are so dang invaluable. You don't have to worry about flat tires and things that won't roll and turn. You just load them up and away you go. So kudos to the rollback on a dirt road kind of day. The nice thing about a rollback is it's street legal and ready to go to work. Just take it nice and easy and get yourself in there and not beat it up. Most of these dirt roads that we're on are pretty well maintained. So thanks for jumping in there today and going along for the ride, and we'll catch you on the next one. That's a problem with rollbacks on a dirt road. Sometimes you lose parts of your rollback on said dirt roads. But if you're good, notice they're gone and come back and get them.